Hi, I'm Patrick Martin with the Environmental Resources Department with the City of Lakeville. Lakeville, we need you. Join the Watershed cleanup April 18th through the 27th and help protect lakes, trails, and natural spaces we rely on every day. 1 hour of your time has a huge impact.
It's a great way for the community to get involved together and to do a visible change in the landscape, and it's good for the environment because you're taking out all those things that could harm animals or pollute the waters, and you're getting them picked up.
Sign up now and claim your free t-shirt while supplies last. Let's show what Lakeville can do when we come together. And don't miss the Earth Day celebration kickoff on Saturday, April 18th from 11 to 1 at the Central Maintenance Facility. This free, all-ages event includes lunch on us, hands-on activities, and chances to earn Earth-friendly prizes. It's the perfect jumpstart to the cleanup effort and a great way to unite as a community. Our watershed won't protect itself. Your participation matters. Let's step up for Lakeville.